Cyprus is a divided island in the Mediterranean. There are two administrations, Greek and Turkish, and one remains unrecognized. But what is the reason for this division? The Ottoman Empire took this island from Venetians, and Turks started to settle in the area. In 1878, Ottoman Empire transferred the island to the British, and soon it became a British colony. After they took control, Greek Cypriots started to push for enosis or unification with Greece. This idea is materialized under EOKA, the National Organization of Cypriot Fighters. Under General Grivas, they carried armed attacks against the British authorities and also Turkish and Greek civilians. Britain then mobilized the Turks, whom established a counterpart for defense. After bloody conflicts, Turkey, Greece and United Kingdom signed the Zurich Agreement, and the Republic of Cyprus was founded. The Republic is strictly prohibited to unify with any nation. The three countries agreed to protect the sovereignty and the territorial integrity of Cyprus. Please note this part for later. Cyprus consisted of Greek majority and a Turkish minority. For the politics, Greeks demanded their majority rule, while Turks were seeking equal representation. Turkish Cypriots are given 30% of the ministries and also the parliamentary seats. The Greeks argued that they are being overrepresented. The president had to be Greek and the prime minister had to be Turkish. Prime minister and president both had the same veto rights. Turkish side was quite happy with it, but the Greeks were disappointed. Let me explain. In November 1963, President Makarios proposed 13 amendments, all of them limiting Turkish power. It was strongly objected by the Turkish side. The first serious conflict broke out and many people are killed. Turkish Cypriots are displaced into small enclaves. Then, Turkey decided to intervene on the island, but instead, United Nations intervened and set up a green line, so the tensions decreased temporarily. And 1967 was another turning point. A military coup was staged in Greece. The junta was seeking a unification with Cyprus. The same year, tensions once again rise and Turkey planned an invasion again. The United States found a common ground and the invasion is stopped. According to deal, General Grivas was called back to Greece along with the Greek mainland troops who are illegally positioned in the island. But the unification goal continued. General Grivas was once again sent to Cyprus. In 1973, a counter coup was staged in Greece and it became more of a dictatorship under Ioannidis. In January 1974, General Grivas died. EOKA came under direct control of Greek military. Then on July 15, the Greek military junta staged a military coup against Makarios. He was forced to resign and the leader of EOKA was installed president. The unification goal was on the horizon. The Turkish Prime Minister Ecevit was worried and he proposed Britain a joint invasion, but he got refused. Then on July 20, Turkey invaded the island alone. This invasion attracted international support because Turkey prevented the annexation of Cyprus. Due to the international and domestic pressures, the Greek military junta fell. A ceasefire was announced and the talks started in Geneva. Turkey was concerned about Turkish minorities' rights, and no common ground was found. Then on August 14, Turkey made the following announcement. It is no longer possible for Cyprus to defend Turkish Cypriots' rights on the island, so we are gonna do it instead. Then the second invasion started. Turkey captured 36% of the island. This time, almost every country opposed this invasion. For the reason, Turkey violated the agreement. Meanwhile, another ceasefire was reached. Many Turkish and Greek people fled to the other side. The next year, Turkey installed the Federated Turkish Cypriot state. The talks started again, but no agreements were reached. In 1983, Turkey de facto proclaimed the independence of Turkish Republic of Northern Cyprus. Almost every country again strongly protested it, yet no country other than Turkey recognized it. Before Cyprus' accession into EU, a unification referendum is proposed. The Turkish side approved it, but the Greek side refused. Until now, Cyprus remains divided and no unification seems on the horizon. Well, I hope you liked this short documentary. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and see you in another video.